Fatigue study is the sixth technique of scientific management. Fatigue is a state of extreme tiredness and reduced energy. In the workplace, people will get tired because of the physical work or the mental work. Therefore, fatigue can be of two kinds. Physical fatigue, that is common in factories where physical work is required, or mental fatigue, which is common in offices and among workers who are involved in such activities which require mental focus and concentration. Fatigue studies involve the observation of workers and monitoring their productivity to understand when they are feeling tired and when they are experiencing fatigue. This will help the management in deciding how the work day should be structured, how the breaks should be structured throughout the day, whether 1 hour of work should be followed by 10-minute breaks or 30 minutes of work should be followed by 10 minutes break. Fatigue study will help the management in take such decisions. Fatigue studies will also help in identifying any factors which are causing unnecessary fatigue, like too much heat in the factory or very high levels of humidity in the factory. By lowering and managing the fatigue levels in the factory, workers can do their tasks more comfortably. Employee morale will improve and productivity may also increase.